Hi everyone, today I'm going to review a new hotel in Japan in Tokyo. So it will be Hotel Nikko Narita. Hotel Nikko Narita Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel with a good rate, 4.1 stars, and you see how many reviews. Oh my goodness, 5,000 reviews. So let's go to Japan, let's go to Tokyo, let's review this hotel. So this hotel is near the airport. So there is international airport, Narita, and that's the name of the hotel, Narita. So I guess it belongs to the hotel, or it belongs to the airport. So airport hotel, the same name, and I think the same logo, like the airport logo. And look at this description, look at this note: modern airport hotel with a free shuttle, bus. It's modern. It doesn't look modern to me, looking at this picture. So airport hotel with a free shuttle bus. Okay, so, and let me tell you the price. Sorry, it's about $90 per night. $90 per night. So it's not so expensive, it's not so cheap. If maybe you landing in Japan and it's your transit zone, you just land to go somewhere else, so it will be the best place for you. Or maybe you're going to another city in Japan. So I'm going to use Google Maps to see this hotel, and I'm going to open from visitors tab to see real pictures from real people, not from the hotel, not from the airport. Okay, so the first picture is the view. Nice view, everything is green and not so many buildings, so it's quite far from the city, I guess. Look at this room. I don't like this room. Yeah, they try to match the walls, the stripes on the walls, and these cushions with the same pattern, and this sofa, or what's that, bench and chairs. I don't like it. It's not comfortable. And this bed, the mattress and this bed, oh, I don't know. Oh no, I would say no to this swimming pool and this jacuzzi. It makes me sad. This jacuzzi, this swimming pool makes me sad. Okay, let's go to the next one. Bathroom. Not bad, but not good as well. It's not bad. Okay, so this is what it looks like from outside. It looks better than the first picture that we've seen when we click on the hotel, the cover picture, JAL. It was probably Christmas time, so many Christmas trees. One is not enough. Oh gosh. Hotel looks like an airport. Airport hotel looks like an airport. So, like, don't forget that you're still in the airport. Don't forget you have another flight. Don't forget you're going somewhere else. Oh gosh. So they decided to continue this theme, airport theme. Even in the hotel, you cannot feel like you're at home. You feel like you're in the hotel. What? Why you did it? Why? What is it for? Okay, bathroom. Does it remind you airplane bathroom? It reminds me 100% airplane bathroom. It's an airplane bathroom or train bathroom. And look at this yellow phone. Look at this yellow phone. Look at this yellow plastic that need to replace $1 fan or fan, sorry, $1 phone you can replace easily. Why you keep it white, and this yellow spot on the wall? Okay, no one uses it, so yeah, no one even can see it. Oh wow, that's amazing. I hope it can talk English, but I I don't know, maybe international airport, international hotel, so maybe it can talk English to you. I hope. A robot is awesome. What information it can give you? Yeah, the hallway. The hallway. It's too long. You saw the building. Yeah, the building is so long. The hallway is so long. I don't know what to say. Not okay. It's not okay to me. It's not okay. It's like a runway, yeah? It's a runway, yeah. Don't forget we follow the theme, airport theme. Airplanes, airports, baggage, flight attendants, pilots, check in, check out, and so on. So it's a runway to the sky, to another country. Piece of Japan. First time I see piece of Japan in this international airport. International, you see, I'm confused. International hotel. Finally, I see Japan. Not anything but not Japan. Okay, so what is that? Is there a train directly to the hotel? No, I wouldn't believe in that. It would be so expensive. Okay. Transit. Yeah, it's a transit hotel. So you see, they followed the topic, the same theme. Everything about airport. So you want to relax, you want to forget about your long flight, because you know wherever you come to Japan, it will be long way for sure. So you're still in transit. So they remind you, you're in transit, not time to relax. It's not the right time to relax. Get ready for a new journey. Journey, yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Better I don't see this picture. Better I never see this picture. It's really terrible. And this pizza guy, pizza man, taking picture for you. Oh, that's nothing to be proud about. So this is a hotel. I'm joking, but maybe he's a hotel worker. You shouldn't ever show this picture to anyone. Okay, next. Nice, beautiful. So that's where you can forget about airport, you can forget about transit, and so on. Christmas helps you to forget about airport, but you know it's only one day. Wow, I am at home. Welcome home. Christmas in Japan. Alright, thank you. Oh gosh, and what is that flag on the wall? Spain, so it is a Spanish cuisine. Does it look like a Spanish cuisine? Everyone, let's take a look. Can you see anything Spanish? Can you see pizza? Can you see, or maybe it's Italian, I'm so sorry everyone. Can you see spaghetti carbonara, spaghetti bolognese? Can you see lasagna? No, where's pasta? Where's the pasta? It's like you see from their own garden. Oh wow, it's from their garden. Eco vegetables. Yeah, and how it relates to Spain. So someone forgot a flag. Alright, whatever. Ooh, wow, that's scary. That's really scary. Let's keep it. I hope it's not alive. Okay, so I'm still confused. Is there something from the hotel to the airport? I will be very surprised, but maybe going every hour, so not if it's not often, so it's possible. But they said, you remember, we read the description, it says shuttle, free shuttle. So is it? Oh, I said shuttle bus because I suppose it's shuttle bus, but I expected shuttle bus, but probably it's not. Maybe it's a train, shuttle train. Look at this office. Yeah. Oh, it was the last picture, everyone. Look at this. That's it. That's it. 5,000 reviews and maybe 20-30 pictures from this hotel. I can't believe that. I can't believe in that. What's wrong? Why only a few pictures from this giant hotel? Look at this enormous size, everyone. Let's see the satellite. I want to see satellite, how big it is. No, we don't see much with the satellite. Yeah, but yeah, looking at this picture, it's so big. It's really, look at this parking lot, and there are many wings of the many, and there is a garden. Wow. Yeah, oh my goodness, parking lot. People came to Japan by plane, and so many parking lots. What is it for? And that poor swimming pool in which I would never swim, and this jacuzzi, and it's so cold when you what time of the year, what season of the year you can do it. Okay, everyone, so it's about $90 per night, so about $100. Not too expensive, not too cheap, close to the airport. And there is a shuttle. I still wonder what shuttle. What is this? I couldn't read Japanese, so maybe this one. Look at this line. Look, you see? Oh, yeah, I thought it's under the ground. Yeah, it's supposed to be under the ground. We see the line, but we can't see it on the ground. There is nothing on the ground. So maybe it's a train that going to the airport. Yeah, maybe it will be awesome. It will be amazing if it's really that. Oh, look, maybe that line, the train line, underground, the underground, passing the hotel, and it's like a station, one of many stations that stop in the hotel. Oh, I revealed the secret. Yeah, I'm so genius. I understood the puzzle. Now I understand the puzzle. So the train is under the hotel. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It's unbelievable. Yeah, I can't believe in that. It's amazing. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos, and I hope you enjoyed this exploration. So it is, did I say the price? Yeah, I told you the price, $90 per night. Bye everyone. See you next time.